Hello food lovers! Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, your go-to channel for easy and flavorful Filipino recipes. Today, we're making authentic pineapple chicken, a creamy, sweet, and savory chicken stew with tender vegetables and juicy pineapple bites. This dish is perfect for family meals, packed with flavor, and easy to make at home. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you the secret to a rich, creamy sauce without curdling and how to get the chicken tender and juicy every time. Let's get cooking. Ingredients: 1 kilogram, approximate 2.2 pounds, chicken, cut into serving pieces. 2 packs, 115 grams per pack, pineapple tidbits, reserve the juice for marinating. 2 tablespoons cooking oil for sautéing. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 medium onion, sliced. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 2 medium potatoes, cubed. 1 large carrot, sliced/cubed. 1 medium red bell pepper, cubed. 1 medium green bell pepper, cubed. 1 cup evaporated milk, for richness, or fresh milk. 2 to 3 tablespoons fish sauce. Salt and ground black pepper to taste. Procedure: in a bowl, marinate chicken pieces in the reserved pineapple juice for at least 30 minutes. This tenderizes the meat and infuses it with sweetness. Heat oil in a large pot. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Then add onions and tomatoes until softened. Remove chicken from the marinade, save the liquid. Add chicken to the pot and sauté until the outer part turns light brown to lock in flavor. Pour in the reserved pineapple juice marinade. Add fish sauce and black pepper. Bring to a boil, then lower heat and simmer for about 20 minutes until chicken is nearly tender. Add the potatoes and carrots. Cover and simmer for another 10 to 12 minutes or until these vegetables are tender. Stir in the pineapple tidbits and bell peppers. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until the peppers are tender crisp. Pour in the milk. Let it simmer for a final 5 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and the flavors to meld. Do not let it reach a rolling boil after adding milk to prevent curdling. Adjust seasoning with salt if needed. Serve hot with steamed white rice. And there you have it, our creamy, sweet, and savory pineapple chicken, perfect for pairing with steamed rice or serving as a family favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV for more authentic Filipino recipes you can make at home. Comment below what dish you'd like to see next, your suggestion might be featured in our next video. Thank you for watching Sangkap Sarap TV, where every recipe brings the taste of home straight to your kitchen. See you in the next video.